Houston, AP, Hurricane Nicholas made landfall along the Texas coast on Tuesday, bringing the threat of up to 20 inches of rainfall to parts of the Gulf Coast, including the same area hit by Hurricane Harvey in 2017 and storm-battered Louisiana. Nicholas touched down on the eastern part of the Matagorda Peninsula, about 10 miles, 17 kilometers, west-southwest of Sargent Beach, Texas, with maximum winds of 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Nicholas was the 14th named storm of the 2021 Atlantic hurricane season. The biggest unknown about Nicholas was how much rainfall it would produce in Texas, especially in flood-prone Houston. Nearly all of the state's coastline was under a tropical storm warning that included potential flash floods and urban flooding. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said authorities placed rescue teams and resources in the Houston area and along the coast. In Houston, officials worried that heavy rain expected to arrive by Tuesday could inundate streets and flood homes. Authorities deployed high-water rescue vehicles throughout the city and erected barricades at more than 40 locations that tend to flood, Mayor Sylvester Turner said. "This city is very resilient. We know what we need to do. We know about preparing," said Turner, referencing 4 major flood events that have hit the Houston area in recent years, including devastating damage from Harvey. Numerous school districts along the Texas Gulf Coast canceled classes Monday because of the incoming storm. The Houston School District, the state's largest, as well as others, announced that classes would be canceled on Tuesday. The weather threat also closed multiple COVID-19 testing and vaccination sites in the Houston and Corpus Christi areas and forced the cancellation of a Harry Styles concert scheduled for Monday evening in Houston. 6 to 12 inches, 15 to 30 centimeters, of rain were expected along the middle and upper Texas coast, with isolated maximum amounts of 18 inches, 46 centimeters, possible. Other parts of southeast Texas and south-central Louisiana and southern Mississippi could see 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeters, over the coming days. Listen to local weather alerts and heed local advisories about the right and safe thing to do, and you'll make it through this storm just like you've. Nicholas brought rain to the same area of Texas that was hit hard by Harvey. That storm made landfall on the middle Texas coast then stalled for 4 days, dropping more than 60 inches, 152 centimeters, of rain in parts of southeast Texas. Harvey was blamed for at least 68 deaths, including 36 in the Houston area. After Harvey, voters approved the issuance of $2.5 billion in bonds to fund flood control projects, including the widening of bayous.